Today I'm going to share all the products and the steps that I use for this basic makeup. It's a makeup that awakes your face, you don't look that tired, and it's perfect for your workday. See you at the end. Bye. Every morning I start my routine cleaning my face, and I am currently using this Lightening cleansing milk, the Sisley, which is really like soft and refreshing for your skin. It wakes up your face. Then I use this treatment lotion. This one is from La Mer and it's super refreshing. I love this product. It prepares your skin to receive in a better way all the products that are coming next. It's so refreshing for your skin. Then I continue using this pigment correcting serum. This one is from SkinMedica, and basically this product helped me with the dark spot. Basically it like clear a little bit the dark spot that I have on my skin. Then I use this eye contour mask from Sisley, and this helped me to reduce fine lines and puffiness. I love this mask. It should be a mask that you remove the excess after 10 minutes. However, I don't remove anything because I love it, so I use this one as my eye cream. So good. I love skincare. And finally, for my skincare, before I start my actual makeup routine, I use my moisturizer, and currently I am using this Extra Rich Integra Anti-Aging Cream from Sisley. And I always include my neck. All these products are for sure expensive, but they work. My skin texture has improved a lot, and that's why I use them and I recommend them. If you want to improve your skin texture, if you have the money and you can try them, I will suggest to try them. I bought these products on May. I have been using them for maybe 6 months, 7 months, and the improvement is really, really good. I love them. Now we are going to start with our makeup. I love to make my makeup every single morning, and I try to do like a really, really simple routine. And it's just because of my skin, my dark circles, my dark spots on my face, all that makes my my appearance look tired, and I don't like that. I like to be awake in my work. I like to feel motivated. I like to feel awake. So that's why I use makeup. That's why I take my time every single morning before going to work to prepare my face, my appearance. I start with my sunblock and I apply it everywhere on my face and my neck, including my eyes. Yes, my eyes, everything. Sunblock is my friend. Then I add my primer, and because my skin is dry, I use this Hydrating primer. And this one is from Fenty Beauty, Pro FILT'R Hydrating Primer. And I apply this one everywhere too, including the eyes, everywhere. And basically this helps the makeup to last the whole day, because I don't like my skin feel that dryness. I like my skin to be more glowy, more awake. Then I try to hide my pores using this other primer. And I use this primer only on the areas that I have larger pores. And it's just a little bit. I also include the inner part of my eyes, and it's just because it's where I have a little bit more like wrinkles or fine lines. Now my skin is ready to receive all the makeup. I like to start my makeup routine doing my eyebrows, but I'm going to link that video here somewhere in the screen and also in the description box so you can see step by step how I do my eyebrows. If you want to see that, just go to those links. First, I like to add contour to my face every single morning. So I use this contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and this one is Truffle. Then I like to add concealer everywhere where I have dark areas, and also in the center of my face. I also like to use this Maybelline Age Rewind around my eyes. Then I wet my beauty blender a little bit, and I dry my beauty blender a little bit. Because I have already contour and my corrector, I just use a little bit of my foundation, just a pump. I like to start applying my foundation on my neck, going up. And I apply it wherever I have no product. Then I start blending that foundation with my skin. This is a makeup that maybe I do in maybe 10 minutes or less every morning. And basically that contour defines your face and makes your face look more clean, awake, happy. Yeah. Before I was like almost dead. I cannot go like that to my work. I have to take my time. I have to look awake. I have to look like I am there and I am ready to conquer the world. I have added a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation, and it's just because I feel that that foundation is more hydrating. But I love the coverage of the ABH foundation, so yeah, I like that combination. You can use just one of them. So now that my face is awake, I can proceed setting my face, and I normally use Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I love this powder, but it's empty. It has nothing. Yeah, it's not good. So I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Banana Powder, and I just dip my beauty blender into the powder and basically eliminate the excess against the palm of my hand. And this powder makes your makeup last forever, the whole day. Now I like to add a little bit of blush in the high points of my cheeks. and that will awake my face even more. I like to add a little bit more of MAC Fix Plus to the Beauty Blender. And I dry it a little bit. And with that wet sponge, I just blend that blush into my skin. So it looks that it's part of my skin and it's not makeup. Then using this It Cosmetic brush, I just take a little bit of this ambient powder from Hourglass, and mostly the center one, and add it to my face. To the center and the high area of the cheekbones and the center of the face. Then I like to curl my lashes. I add this Lancome booster. Basically, this make your lashes longer. Looks longer. I love this. This product is one of my fave. I think I say the same thing in every single video, right? It's amazing. This product is amazing. I love it. And then I use the mascara. And this one is my #1 mascara. This one is from Benefit and is Roller Lash. Which I make a mistake there. Just wait a little bit and then clean up. All the mess. Just take a cotton swab and just clean the mess that we did. Then I proceed with my lips, and basically I like to use neutral colors to go to work. Pink, like skin tone colors. This one is a little bit like to the dark side, but I like it. I like this color. And if I have to choose in between lipsticks, liquid lipstick, and lip liner, I prefer lip liner. And then I add a little bit of lipstick. And then I like to use this pencil brush. It's really small to blend the color of the lip pencil with the lipstick. So my lips looks like my skin, but a little bit darker. I like to add lip balm to my lips because now we are in winter and my lips get like really dry. So you need to be more careful with your skin when winters come. So I use lip balm every single morning. And this one is amazing. If my skin looks a little bit dry in some areas, I like to add a little bit, just a little bit of an oil primer. And this one is Armani. A little bit. Basically spreading the whole oil on the back of my hand. So it's really small amount what I have in my beauty blender, and then I apply in the center of my face and my under eyes, which are the areas that remain more like dry or looks more dry. If I feel that I am like sad, that I am tired, that I am, yeah, I cannot go like that to my work. I need to go like inspire. I need to go like clean. I need to go like, I need to take my time every single morning, and that's important. So this is my skin routine for the workday. I hope that you like it. I hope that you learned something, and if you like it, don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can help me to grow this channel. And if you are new, thank you for your visit. Thank you for being here. My name is Mary, and this is My World in Shadows. So if you like this one, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload a video. And this is all. Have a beautiful and blessed life. See you in the next one. Bye.